Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises superior performance, the Demeyere 5 Plus Stainless Steel 2-quart saucepan. If you're someone who appreciates quality and wants your cookware to perform as well as it looks, then stick around, because this might just be the saucepan you've been searching for. Let's talk about what makes this Demeyere pan stand out, and that starts with its construction. This is a 5-ply marvel. What does that mean for you in the kitchen? Well, it ensures outstanding heat conduction and retention. Demeyere has meticulously layered materials to create a pan that heats up incredibly fast, distributes that heat perfectly evenly across the entire cooking surface, and then holds on to that heat beautifully. This is crucial for everything from simmering delicate sauces to searing meats. The layers consist of an 18/10 stainless steel interior. This is important because it means the pan won't react with any of your foods, no matter how acidic. You won't get any metallic off flavors, which is a common problem with lesser quality pans. Then, sandwiched between are 3 layers of fast-heating aluminum, which is the workhorse behind that rapid and even heat distribution. Finally, the exterior features a magnetic stainless steel base. This is a big deal because it makes the pan compatible with virtually all stovetops, including induction, which is becoming increasingly popular. So, whether you have gas, electric, induction, ceramic, or halogen, this pan is ready to go. Another feature that really impressed me is the flat, stable base. Unlike many other cookware brands where the base can bulge or warp when heated, Demeyere assures us that this pan's base remains perfectly flat. This guarantees consistent contact with your heat source, further ensuring that even cooking we talked about. Now, let's consider the handling. Ergonomic stainless steel handles are securely welded to the pan. This is a sign of robust construction. More importantly, these handles are designed to stay cool on the stovetop. This means no more frantic searches for oven mitts just to stir your sauce. And when it's time to move your creation from the stovetop to the oven, you'll be pleased to know this pan is oven and broiler safe up to a very respectable 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That versatility opens up a world of possibilities for finishing dishes or baking directly in the pan. The description also highlights tight-fitting lids that promote energy-efficient cooking. This is a small but significant detail. A good lid traps steam and heat inside, allowing your food to cook faster and more evenly, while using less energy. And when it comes to pouring, the rolled rims are designed to prevent spills, making for a cleaner, more controlled transfer of liquids from the pan. Cleanup is another area where Demeyere aims to make life easier. This pan is dishwasher safe. While hand washing is often recommended for high-end cookware to preserve its shine, knowing it can go in the dishwasher is a great convenience for everyday use. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros are clear. The 5-ply construction is a winner for heat performance. The induction compatibility is fantastic. The sturdy, stay-cool handles are a practical advantage. The oven and broiler safety adds immense versatility. The flat, stable base is a mark of quality manufacturing. And the overall build quality, coming from Belgium, speaks to its durability. Are there any cons? For a 2-quart saucepan, the price point might be considered an investment by some. While the construction is top-notch, the exterior finish, while attractive, could potentially show minor scratches over time with heavy use, as is common with most stainless steel. However, these are minor points when you consider the performance and longevity this pan offers. In conclusion, the Demeyere 5 Plus Stainless Steel 2-quart saucepan is more than just a basic piece of cookware. It's a well-engineered tool designed for serious home cooks who demand precision and reliability. Its superior heat management, versatile compatibility, and durable construction make it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. If you're ready to invest in cookware that will perform beautifully for years to come, this Demeyere pan is definitely worth a very close look. Link in the description.